Viral Idea 3, announcing industry news in new style format. So what are news videos? News videos focuses on showcasing the latest trending news and updates which you can read out to your audience. So how do you create a news video? First, you gotta go to Flipboard or BBC or any other news or news blog site. Then, you gotta pick up the relevant pictures in the news from the internet. So pick up any pictures that you find on Google or you find on public domain sites. And then, you put the images in PowerPoint slides. Then, all you gotta do is read out the news content from the side as if you're speaking then. So you don't have to appear in camera, only you're reading out the content, mind you. So only pictures will show on the screen which you have collated from Google, and the content you're reading out from the news blogs. So this is how you can create great news videos that have the potential to go viral depending on the topic.